Boeing has faced a host of issues involving the Boeing 737 MAX family. There have been 2 deadly crashes involving the type, and the aircraft has been grounded multiple times by aerospace regulators around the world. As a result, it is relatively unsurprising to see that Boeing does not have plans to develop yet another generation of the type. Indeed, it's becoming clear that the company will instead move towards a clean sheet replacement. In late June, Boeing officially reached out to multiple major engine manufacturers to gauge their interest in developing a power plant to be used on future single-aisle jets set to replace the Boeing 737. Those who are likely to compete in developing this engine include the world's largest engine makers, Rolls-Royce, Pratt & Whitney and CFM International, the latter being a joint venture between General Electric and Safran. Boeing's request for information, or RFI, to engine makers indicates that it's looking for a product that would produce around 30,000 pounds of thrust. The manufacturer directly noted that this power plant would be used to power a future single-aisle replacement aircraft for the Boeing 737. Boeing said that this RFI will be part of an ongoing move to assess the latest innovative engine designs currently under consideration by major manufacturers. The company reiterated that it still has a preference for ducted propulsion systems as opposed to an open rotor design, which some manufacturers have discussed. In a statement discussing the matter with Aviation Week, Boeing CEO Kelly Ortberg had the following words to share. "We're not ready on any of those work streams today, but we need to be when the market is ready for a new aircraft." Boeing could still choose to go for a non-traditional unducted propulsion platform for this new jet, and many manufacturers have said such engines could deliver exceptional performance. Nonetheless, the carrier does not seem too keen on procuring such an ambitious power plant. Both Rolls-Royce and Pratt & Whitney are expected to be among the respondents to the manufacturer's call for development programs. These 2 companies have already proposed ducted turbofans that would power next-generation single-aisle Airbus jets. CFM International, which has provided engines for the 737 MAX and most previous 737 generations except for the original series, would obviously be keen to participate as well. The joint venture is expected to propose a ducted engine based on technology currently under development through the Revolutionary Innovation for Sustainable Engine, or RISE, initiative. Historically, Boeing hasn't really provided engine options for its 737 family. The original series was powered by the Pratt & Whitney JT8D, while subsequent generations used the CFM 56 and the current MAX exclusively uses the CFM LEAP. Would Boeing be open to multiple engine options this time around, as is the case for the A320 family? We'll have to wait and see. Which engine maker or makers do you think Boeing should choose? Let us know by leaving a comment. In addition to our daily YouTube videos, Simple Flying publishes over 150 articles every week. If you're looking for the latest aviation news and insights, visit simpleflying.com.